Assalamu alaikum. You are watching Khalid Iqbal YouTube channel. We focus on education, training and journal awareness. In this video, I will try to explain various aspects of perfectionism. What is perfectionism? Is it something good or bad? What are the other traits of people who consider themselves perfectionist? According to my knowledge and experience, perfectionism is a personality trait relating to attitude and behavior. To explain my point, I will illustrate an example. A teacher gives 4 assignments to his class. Time period for these assignments is 4 weeks. A student completes 1 assignment in a week time and now he goes on to the second assignment but keeps on visiting the first assignment which he has already completed. He asks himself again and again whether the assignment completed is up to the task or not. Will he be able to get high marks or he should make some changes in the assignment? He is not satisfied and is unable to properly focus on the second assignment which is in hand. He is running short of time for the remaining assignments. He has set high standards for himself. In fact, he feels a gap between the standards he set himself. In fact, he feels gap between the assignment which he has completed and ideal standards. In fact, he feels gap between the standard of the assignment completed and ideal standard. This gap is perfectionism which actually doesn't exist. So the poor student tries hard to fill the gap. But even after making many attempts, many changes in the completed assignment, he finds himself in the same situation. In our daily conversation, we use the word perfect. When we are satisfied with some product, some project, or some event, we say perfect. But perfect is nothing. For example, I am satisfied with some food or transcript and rate that excellent. Some other fellows may rate the same as unsatisfactory. So, to save time, we should have knowledge of standards set for certain assignment. This is how we can fill the gap which I have just mentioned with the knowledge of the subject and standards set for that assignment. Another point which I would like to elaborate is that perfectionism shows that one lacks self-confidence. If someone has complete knowledge, I mean in-depth knowledge of the subject, and he knows the rule and standards set for the task, he will be satisfied with the completed assignment. He will not visit it again and again. He will save time for other activities. Another important point which should be understood is there is difference between making an addition to the completed task and getting worried that the task completed is according to the standards or not. I have experienced that people who are perfectionists or who have this trait in their personality are unpopular bosses. If such person is appointed as head of an organization or any unit of the organization, their production level drops. Employees become tense because their boss is not satisfied with their work. Consequently, employees are demotivated and feel unhappy. They never apply themselves fully for the job. In schools or colleges, if a teacher has this trait, students don't perform at the maximum of their abilities. Such teachers usually award low marks or grades to their students. Resultantly, students are discouraged and demotivated. In my opinion, we should understand that there is nothing such thing as perfectionism. To overcome this issue, one should work hard to get in-depth knowledge about the assignment or task or product, etc., and also know what are the acceptable standards. With this ability, we can move forward rather than sticking to the task in hand. So don't try to be perfectionist, be knowledgeable and feel confident.